If you have a 2012 to 2017 Jetta, the Mk6, and your cigarette lighter has stopped working, which you probably need for things like iPhone charging, the first step is to check the fuse for it. Volkswagen doesn't give you a fuse chart because they're awful, but I looked it up online and it looks like the cigarette lighter is... Hang on, I'm just reading this. You can read it along with me. Instrument cluster, steering column. It is fuse F30 cigarette lighter. So here's the chart. So it's 2 rows, and then we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over from the right, because here it's labeled, but it's not labeled. So we're going to go down to the fuse panel. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description of this video to purchase new fuses. So there's the 2 rows, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That right there is the fuse that you would pull out to check to see if it's burnt out. Remember, on the back of the cover, there is your pliers to take the fuse out. So if that fuse is burnt out, it's an easy fix. That's all that was wrong with your cigarette lighter. You replace it with a 20A. So you can pause the video on this here if you need to look again at the chart. And again, I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description of this video to purchase new fuses. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments.